Hello student, today I am going to explain about the addition and subtraction of the matrices. For addition, what is the necessary? Order of the matrix should be same. For addition or subtraction, what is the necessary condition? Order of matrix should be same. A matrix A, this order is M cross N, another matrix B, that order is M cross N, then their addition is possible. A plus B equal to Aij plus Bij, or that order will be C. For the subtraction, the same condition. A minus B. Then we can write Aij minus Bij of order M cross N. What is the meaning of this? Their corresponding element will be added, या corresponding element will be subtracted. I suppose you know about it, but I am explaining this. So, negative of the matrix. Negative of the matrix. Suppose any matrix A is given Aij of order M cross N, then negative of this matrix, this is the negative of matrix, then we can write minus Aij of order M cross N. Means each element of the matrix will become negative, means opposite side. What is the negative? Means opposite side. This is inside matrix. What will be positive? That will become the negative. A negative matrix element will become the positive. Now, I am going to explain about the commutative law, associative law, and existence of the identity, existence of the inverse, and distributive law. The first commutative law. Means this is a property for the addition of two matrices. A matrix A plus B equal to B plus A. Order of A and B will be same. Second, associative. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Here order of A, B, C will be same. Here first we operate B and C, then it will be operated with A. Here A and B is operated, then it is operated with the C. What will be the result? Both side result will be same, so it will follow the associative property. Third, identity. In the lower classes you have studied about the identity also. What you will add in any number, the result will be same. So any number, suppose what you will add in the 5, it will become the 5, so 0. So 0 is the additive identity. You have studied this, but you will study for the matrix. Let A is a matrix. Or A, what you will add, then you will get the same matrix. So this will be 0. Or 0 means null matrix. What will be order of A? Same order of this null matrix. Or this is known as the identity. Means what identity? Additive identity. Okay. Now we'll see the inverse. Existence of inverse. Fourth, inverse. What you will add in the matrix, it's just like for numerical value I am saying this. What you will add in the any number 7, then you will get the identity. What is the identity? Additive identity 0. It means what you will add? -7. So this -7 is known as the inverse of 7. Same concept is here. What you will add, then you will get the identity. What is additive identity? Null matrix. So what you will add? -a, or is known as the inverse of A. Additive inverse. Additive inverse of A equal to -a. Negative of the matrix. This is clear? So, you will see the questions. Now, see the exercise. It is very simple exercise. कुछ क्वेश्चन मैं बता दे रहा हूं और तुम ट्राई करोगे. और स्केलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन विद द मैट्रिक्स. सपोज k is a scalar value or it is multiplied with the matrix A. Scalar or this is the matrix. So what will be? You will get A is the a matrix Aij or of order m cross n. Then k is multiplied with the each element of the matrix. Means this will be k into Aij of order m cross n. This is known as the scalar multiplication with the matrix. The scalar quantity you have multiplied with the matrix. Now, just try solving some questions. बहुत आसान है, but you will see this. First you can do, second you can do. Okay, first third part. A is a matrix 2, 4, 3, 2. Order of A is 2 cross 2 plus second order you can say, or C is the -2, 5, 3, 4. This is the matrix. You will see this. What you will get? 3A minus C. You will write here 3 is multiplied to this. You will write 3 is multiplied to 2, 6, 3 is multiplied to 4, 12, to this 9, to this it will become 6. -2, 5, 3, 4. You can do this. 6 minus plus it will become the 6 plus 2, 8. 12 minus 5, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. Or 6 minus 4, 2. This is the result. So, in this way, you can do the questions. Now, you will see other question. Here it is the A equal to 2 minus 3, 5, 0. Of Ka, K is multiplied to this matrix. Now it is the 8, 3A minus 2B and C. Then find the value of KABC. You can write, implies that K is multiplied to this. Then you can write 2K minus 3K, 5k and 0, or then it will become equal to 8 3a minus 2b and c. Now compare. So 2k equal to 8 implies that k equal to 4, when and c equal to 0 minus 3k equal to 3a. तो a equal to minus k equal to minus 4. Correct? Next question, or not next question, next part, what is the unknown? We have not got here. Yes, 5k equal to minus 2b. So b equal to 5k upon minus 2. So 5 into, what is value of k? 4 upon minus 2. 2. It will be minus 10. Clear? Okay. In this way, you can get the values. Other question are the same type of questions. Okay. Now we'll see some more question. Is find x if y equal to 2x plus y equal to, what are given? 1 0 minus 3 2. This is question number 12. What is value of y is given? 2x plus y. You write here, transfer here. 1 0 minus 3 2, or then y will be transferred this side, it will become negative. What is value of y? Y is 3 2 1 4. Now it will become 1 minus 3 minus 2, 0 minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, or 2 minus 4 minus 2. Then it is the 2x. Then matrix x is equal to, it is divided by 2. Each element is divided by 2. It will become the minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 and minus 1. It is clear? Okay. Okay, I am going to rub this. I suppose it is clear. In this way, you will try to solve the exercise. I suppose you can solve this, you will not get any problem. But question 17, last question. Question 17, you will see 5a plus 3b plus 2c equal to 0. You will find the a is given, b is given. Now I will find the matrix C. Null matrix is given, so it will become the 0. So 2c equal to minus 5a minus 3b. Minus 5, what is a? 9 1 7 8 minus 3, it will become 1 5 7 12. Okay, how to find the value of this? I suppose everybody can do this. Minus 45 minus 5 minus 35 minus 40. it will come the plus minus 3, minus 15, minus 21, minus 36. Then 2C will be equal to this matrix. You operate this minus 45, minus 3, minus 48, or minus 5, minus 15, minus 20, minus 35, minus 21, minus 56, or minus 76. Now matrix C will be become, means it is divided by, each element of this matrix will be divided by 2. So minus 12, minus 10, minus 28, or minus 38. This is clear? So in this way, we will try to solve this exercise. If you are getting any doubt, you can ask. And next day, I will teach you the next exercise. Okay, God bless you.